Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook account on desktop. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open facebook.com, and then you need to click on create new account here, and here you need to put your first name. So I'm going to enter my first name. So this is the dummy information. Here you need to enter your mobile number or email. So I'm going to use temp mail for this tutorial. So let me select an attempt mail. So it is waiting, so it is loading, so you need to wait for a few seconds. So here you need to enter your password and your date of birth. So let me select a random date of birth from here. Okay, so here you need to select your gender, and this is my temp mail, and you need to re-enter your email, and here you need to enter your password. So let me enter my password here. Then you need to click on sign up, and it will take few seconds to sign up into your account. So once you click on here, the Facebook team is processing the data, and once it is completed, your Facebook account is ready and you are able to access and use your Facebook account. So this is a process by which you can create Facebook account on desktop. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.